So guys, I'm now here at Beauty Blush Cebu. So they are located here at City Soho Mall at long lang din siya sa tapat lang ng Vicente Soto na hospital dito sa Cebu.
Hi, Miss.
So, magpapa-combination brows ako today. Question ko lang, masakit pa siya?
Well, there's a bit of pain, but I will be using two anesthesia. So, before the procedure and after the procedure. So, hindi naman siya masakit. And you just have to tell me if medyo masakit kasi maglalagay ako. Very generous naman ako sa paglagay ng anesthesia.
So, how long does it take para matapos yung paggawa ng combination brows?
Usually about 2 to 3 hours, but it really depends because sometimes we have clients na medyo madaling mag-bleed. Kung bleeder ang client, it usually takes a lot of time kasi ang blood pinupush na yung pigment.
Okay. So, pag nagpa-combination brows ba ako, how long siya maglalast?
2 to 3 years.
Kasi yung main reason ko talaga kasi kung bakit gusto mo pa-combination brow, sobrang dami kong nakita sa page ninyo. Ang ganda. Tapos they don't have to apply, anong tawag dyan? Eyebrows every day. So gusto ko yung parang
you woke up like this.
Yeah, woke up like this. Kasi sa akin, okay lang sa akin, wala akong makeup, Miss Faith. Basta may kilay lang ako.
Yes.
Kasi iba talaga nagagawa ng kilay, diba?
Yes, especially now na it's pandemic and yung nakikita na lang is kilay. So, hashtag kilay goals.
Kilay goals.
Yes. Yes. So, actually, Miss, it really depends on the skin type, how you will take good care during the first 10 days or meaning the healing process. So, may participation ka din, Miss. So, para mag-last yung brows mo, Miss.
So, may kailangan ba akong gawin days after that?
Yes. For the first 10 days, hindi mo siya kailangang ibasa. So, meaning, dapat kung maligo ka, as in yung brows mo, hindi siya mababasa. So, tiis ganda. Tiis ganda, Miss. Yes. First is that one, and then bawal ka muna mag-exercise. Nakikita ko sa mga vlog mo, Miss, na nag-exercise ka. So, bawal muna ngayon. For the first 10 days only. Yes. And also the skin type, it will also vary. So, for those dry to combination skin, definitely it will last longer compared to oily skin. Kasi yung natural oils natin, magtatanggal siya ng pigment ni microblading at shading.
So, very excited na ako. Let's do this.
Alright! So, first step is we'll do brow shaping. Brow shaping and mapping.
So, Miss Faith, gusto ko yung parang ano lang siya. Yung hindi siya masyadong mataray tignan.
Yes, soft art.
Yeah.
So, ito, para mag-absorb lalo yung anesthesia.
Let's do this road to kilay on Fleek every day. We're done, guys, after 2 hours. So, ito yung form niya ngayon. I mean, yung kulay niya ngayon. Dark siya. That's normal. So, makikita mo yung parang natural effect niya after 15 days. So, let's see in the coming days. So far, sobrang happy ko sa shape kasi tignan niyo naman, very perfect. Symmetrical talaga siya. And I love it na parang may natural na parang buhok dito. Ito yung parang blading niya, Miss na. Yan. So, thank you, Miss Kate!
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah.
Okay guys, so today is the 3rd day ng aking semi-permanent na combination brows that I did with the Blush Beauty Studio. So as you can see, may suot akong parang sweatband dito sa ulo kasi as much as possible dapat walang sweat na maghalo sa brow. Pero meron siyang konti. Pero yun kasi parang ointment yung medyo basa yung feeling niya kasi may ointment yan. Pero, yeah. So, bawal siyang malagyan ng sweat as much as possible. So, ayun, I'm working out right now. So, no excuse pa din. Nag-workout pa din. Kasi gusto natin medyo pumaya tayo this year. So, laban seized. Hey guys, good morning. We are now on the 6th day. And this is how my kilay looks like. So, medyo nagbabalat na siya. Ayan guys, as you can see dito sa na part. Nagbabalat na siya. Tapos nagka-crack na talaga dito sa gilid. There you go. I was advised na on the, I think, 10th to 15th day, siya mag-heal. So far, 6th day pala ngayon. And ganyan na siya. Sobrang excited na akong mag-peel siya, guys. I cannot wait para mag-lighten na siya and it will look more natural. So, hey guys! So today is the 15th day ng aking combination brows. And as you can see, sobrang ganda ng kulay niya. So, ayan. By the way, kailangan pa itong i-retouch. So, hindi pa talaga ito yung final na form or forma. Kakagising ko lang pala talaga. Literally. And I'm still having my coffee right now. With my experience, kasi I've been shooting some contents lately din. So, I didn't have to put on any kilay.
ganito lang ang blush on na, tapos lip tint, yun na, sobrang ganda sa feeling kasi parang alam mo yun, effortless na tayo mga babae. Alam naman natin, sobrang conscious natin when it comes to our key eyes. And I'm so happy. I had my brows done by Beauty Blush. Maraming salamat po. And for you guys, right now, they're actually having 25% off sa kanilang combination brows or kanilang brow services because this month ang kanilang first anniversary. So congratulations by the way, Beauty Blush, for your success kasi sobrang dami nilang clients every day, guys. Fully booked sila. So kayo kung gusto niyo magpa-combination brows, just please book an appointment or message them on their Instagram or their Facebook page.